types of condensation, that is dew, fog, and clouds. Types of fog, types of clouds. So in the class, we're gonna add some briefing on the clouds. For example, the clouds, major divisions, and the subtype, and what are the characteristics. This is a table madri potukanga. Important relevant characteristics. For example, when we talk about high clouds. So what are the important subtypes? Cirrus clouds, cirrostratus clouds, and cirrus cumulus clouds. Okay, so in the Mari subtype, so we'll write first one is cirrus. Cirrus is represented at CI. Cirrus. Okay, description or the characteristics of this particular cloud type is that very thin, delicate. These are very thin, delicate, fiber-like ice crystal clouds. Fiber-like ice crystal clouds. Cirrus clouds. Okay, next comes your cirrostratus. Cirrostratus, C and small s. So cirrostratus clouds in cirrostratus, these are thin sheet of white ice crystal clouds. White ice crystal clouds that may give the sky a milky look. That may give the sky a milky look. Sometimes these clouds produces halos around the sun and moon. Halos around the sun and moon. Okay, the next one. Cirrocumulus. Cirrocumulus is represented CC. Cirrocumulus. Capital C and a small c. Description. Cirrocumulus are thin white ice crystal clouds. They are also thin white ice crystal clouds in the form of ripples or waves. In the form of ripples or waves. Ripples or waves. Or globular masses all in a row. Or globular masses. All in a row. Okay, very thin, delicate type of. They produce a cirrostratus, cirrocumulus. They produce a mackerel sky. They are responsible for production of your mackerel sky. Mackerel in the skip or fish type or fish or a skin margana appearance. Mackerel sky. The scales of a fish and the margana or appearance. Next one is your middle clouds. Middle clouds. Distance 2 to 6 kilometers. Subtypes, the first one is your altocumulus, AC. Altocumulus. Description. They are white to grey clouds. They are white to grey clouds. They are often made up of separate globulous, also referred to as sheep back clouds or woolen cotton wool உருட்டி வச்சா அப்படி இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு செப்பரேட் globular so they can vary their color from white to gray color. Okay, the next one is altostratus. This is altocumulus clouds. The second one is your altostratus. Altostratus, they are stratified veil of clouds. Stratified veil. Veil na cover ஒரு துணி மாதிரி. The stratified veil of clouds. Generally thin and may produce very light precipitation. Very light precipitation. See, the clouds change their color. Altostratus, they are also from white to gray color. Yeah. So the darker shade of color is because of the added moisture. So when the clouds are getting darker and darker, chances of more precipitation because moisture gives them a gray color because light water will absorb and reflect some of the light. So plain white color mostly precipitation taradu. So altostratus clouds, they are stratified veil of clouds often associated with what? Often associated with the light precipitation. Next, same statement, characteristics of altostratus. When thin layer of altostratus, that's what. When thin, the sun or moon may be visible. The sun or moon may be visible as a bright spot. The sun or moon may be visible as a bright spot. But no halos are produced. Okay. And the third important type, low clouds. Clouds which are present below 2 kilometers or less than 2 kilometers. Adala first one, low clouds la first one is your stratus cloud represented as ST. Stratus clouds. Characteristics of stratus clouds, they are low uniform layer. Resembling fog. They are low uniform layer resembling fog, but not on the ground. Meaning in a fog conditions, they are more or less associated with your near ground situations, fog. But these foggy conditions at a kilometer of two such type of clouds are known as stratus clouds, and this associated statement, they may even give precipitation. They may even produce precipitation. Precipitation in the form of drizzle. In the form of drizzle. Drizzle na ரொம்ப இந்த மழைச்சாரல்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, ரொம்ப fine millimeters of rain, less than 5 mm of rainfall dia இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதான் drizzle னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Types of precipitation we will come back in the same day. Okay, we'll discuss types of precipitation too. So stratus clouds enna? Stratus clouds are low uniform layer resembling fog but not on the ground. They may produce precipitation in the form of drizzle. The next one is stratocumulus. Low clouds, the next one. Stratocumulus. They are soft gray clouds. Soft gray clouds in globular patches or rolls. Soft gray clouds in globular patches. Globular patches or rolls. Okay. These rolls may join together. These rolls may join together to form a continuous cloud. To form a continuous cloud. The next is nimbostratus. Nimbostratus clouds. Nimbostratus characteristics. They are amorphous layer of dark gray. Amorphous layer. Amorphous, they do not have any specific shape. Amorphous layer of amorphous layer of dark gray clouds. Dark gray clouds. These are one of the major precipitation producing clouds. One of the major rainfall producing clouds are major precipitation producing clouds. Nimbostratus. And the very last category, clouds of vertical extent. The fourth major type is your clouds of vertical extent. Here we have two clouds. One is cumulus clouds and cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulus clouds and cumulonimbus clouds. So cumulus, Cu. Cumulonimbus is C3. So cumulus or characteristics, they are dense clouds often characterized by flat bases. Dense clouds often characterized by flat bases. Very, very dense clouds characterized by flat. Okay, flat bases. They may occur as isolated clouds or closely packed clouds. They may occur as isolated clouds or closely packed clouds. closely packed clouds. The last one, cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus. Characteristics. Characteristics. They are towering clouds. They are towering clouds, meaning these clouds grow. They vertically extend their size with increasing condensation. So such type of clouds are known as towering clouds. They grow with the increasing height. Okay. So characteristics, first one, they are towering clouds, sometimes spreading out on the top to form an anvil head. So they spread out in the particular nature is known as anvil head. ஒரு ட்ரீ கனாப்பி எப்படி இருக்கும், ட்ரீயோட ஹெட் எப்படி இருக்கும், அந்த மாதிரி கிளவுட்ஸுக்குமே ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான கனாபிக்கல் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ தே ஆர் டவரிங் கிளவுட்ஸ், சம்டைம்ஸ் ஸ்ப்ரெட்டிங் அவுட் ஆன் டாப் டு ஃபார்ம் an anvil head. ANVIL, anvil head. Next, same clouds. Next point, they are associated with the heavy rainfall. They are associated with the heavy rainfall, thunder and lightning, hail and tornadoes. So they are associated with the heavy rainfall, thunder and lightning, hail and tornadoes. So yes, and small c.